Did you know that your garden bed may actually help reduce some flash flooding in your area? Let me explain how. When heavy rain falls on roofs, driveways, patios, and other hard surfaces, it can't soak into the ground. So instead, it runs towards our streets, and during a major storm, all that water arrives very quickly and creates a lot of damage. But our gardens can help slow some of that water before it even reaches the street. Unlike a driveway or a patio, both lawns and garden beds allow some rainwater to soak into the ground, but they don't necessarily manage the water equally. Most lawns have fairly shallow roots, especially when the grass is cut short or the soil is compacted. So a lawn can absorb some rain, but during a heavy storm, water may begin flowing across it faster than the ground can take it in. A densely planted garden bed can provide another layer of protection. The plants and the mulch slow water as it moves across the surface, while the soil temporarily holds it, giving it more time to soak in. Many perennials, native grasses, shrubs, and trees also develop deeper, denser root systems than conventional turf. Over time, those roots create pathways through different layers of soil, add organic matter, and improve the soil's ability to absorb and hold water. They also help keep the soil in place, reducing erosion during heavy rain. The result is a landscape that can slow runoff, reduce erosion, and give more rainwater an opportunity to soak into the ground. So the next time it rains, watch where the water flows across your property. If it can be done safely, you may be able to direct some of that runoff away from hard surfaces and into a properly placed garden bed. Just make sure you're keeping that water away from your foundation, septic system, and neighboring properties. Now, will one garden prevent a flash flood? No, but that doesn't mean our individual choices don't matter. One garden may not change the world, but one garden can slow down a little water and keep some of that rain from reaching the street. And when enough of us make those small choices, the impact becomes much bigger than any one garden. And I think that's so true of many things in life. We underestimate what small actions can accomplish because we're always looking for one enormous solution. What we do on one small piece of land may not change the world, but imagine the difference we could make together. I'll see you in the garden.